Hey guys, it's Kitty Harp, and in this video I'm going to show you how to outline an image in Canva. So here's an example of what an outline image looks like in Canva. So this is one that I already did. This would be great for YouTube thumbnails or images on social media or preview images or things like that. So what you want to do is upload a photo of yourself or whatever you want. You might be using this for a YouTube thumbnail or some other social media post and outlining a picture of a person. So in that case, you would want a picture that has a very plain background, as plain as possible, and it needs to have like kind of a sharp contrast between the subject and the background. Like the more contrast there is, the better, and the simpler the background, the better, because then you're going to go up to Effects and click on Background Remover. And that takes a second to work, but once it's done, you can see this one worked really well. It cut the picture out from the background, and if you have any issues with this, you can go to the Erase or Restore buttons, and they're like little brushes that if I wanted to add back part of the background, I could do this. If, for example, it like cut off my finger or something, but if not, I'm just going to undo that. But if not, if it worked well the first time, then you don't need to use those, which can be a little finicky. It's kind of like how the normal way to outline an image might be using the pen tool in Adobe Photoshop, which can be very manual and labor intensive. So to go in there and really zoom in and get all the details, especially things like hair or hands or fingers. But the cleaner the background you have to start with, the better it's going to work. And so once you have the background removed, I mean, that's kind of the main step. And then now Canva has a new feature under Effects, and under the shadows, you can click on Glow and then click on that again. And this works a lot better from the desktop. Canva does have a mobile app, but some of the features are either missing or missing certain settings. So this definitely works better from a desktop computer. So I just double tapped on the glow, and then I'm going to increase this a little bit. And I do want a white border, so I'm going to go in and change that. And right now, this is definitely looking like a glow. If you want it to be even more of a glow, you can do something like this. And as you can see, that's like a very blurry, nice, glowing look. Or if I don't want it to be like that, I can take the blur down to 0. That's a little harsh, so I might add just a tiny bit of a blur, maybe like 1. And then decrease the size a little bit. I'll probably take the transparency up to 100 if I want this to be an outline. And then I'll decrease or increase the size a little bit depending on the look I'm going for. You could have it very low, and then that's a certain look. Or if you're going for like a thumbnail, you might have it a little bit thicker. So I'll leave it around, I think 20 for the size, 100 transparency, and 1 for the blur. And then click apply, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, it has an outline, and I can make this image bigger if I want to, and that outlines the image nicely. And it's basically the same as the stroke feature in Adobe Photoshop, but if you don't have Photoshop or you don't want to learn another program, Canva has an easy to use option for outlining your images now. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day.